This BrBrGo carbon steel wok pan 5-piece set is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It's a 13-inch wok, and it comes with useful extras. You get a wooden lid, a spatula, and chopsticks. These options make cooking Chinese food at home easier and more fun. The wok has a flat bottom, so it sits well on all kinds of stoves, including gas and induction cookers. The BrBrGo carbon steel wok pan 5-piece set is made from carbon steel. This material gets hot quickly and evenly. It's great for stir-frying meat and vegetables. Over time, and with use, the wok will develop a natural non-stick surface. This means your food won't stick as much. Plus, carbon steel is strong and should last a long time. It's a different art of cooking compared to using pans with chemical coatings. This BrBrGo carbon steel wok pan 5-piece set offers good value. It gives you the main wok and helpful tools. It's designed for authentic Chinese cooking. While COVID-19 changed many trends, the love for cooking at home stayed strong. This wok helps you explore new recipes and enjoy delicious meals. It's a simple and effective cooker for your kitchen. Pros: suitable size for up to 6 people, stove stays clean, carbon steel wok, much durable, easy to care for, rapid heat, less oil cooking, fast heat transfer, even heat, crisper food. Flavorful food, not coated, high temp okay, better stir fry, wooden lid, wooden spatula, wooden chopsticks, lightweight, easy to toss food, heat resistant handle, flat bottom, all stove types, gas cooker okay, induction okay, electric okay, halogen okay, oven safe, good service, lid replacement, handle replacement. Cons: needs seasoning, can rust easily, hand wash only, not non-stick, avoid acidic food, heavy to handle, lid adds weight, not for steaming, may need re-seasoning, black layer can come off. Features: carbon steel build 13-inch wide pan, flat bottom design, no chemical coat, wooden lid. Included, spatula and sticks, for all stove types, cooks for up to 6, durable and strong, easy to handle. This BrBrGo wok set has a 13-inch pan made of strong carbon steel with a flat bottom for all stoves and no chemical coating. It's easy to handle and can cook for up to 6 people. The set includes a wooden lid, a spatula, and chopsticks. This durable pan is designed for authentic Chinese cooking and stir-frying. This BrBrGo 13-inch carbon steel wok pan set is a traditional Chinese cooking tool designed for stir-frying and other versatile dishes for up to 6 people. It features a flat bottom suitable for all stove types, including induction, and promises rapid and even heating for crispy and flavorful food with less oil. The set includes a wooden lid, spatula, and chopsticks, and the wok itself is lightweight for easy tossing and has a heat-resistant handle. However, it requires seasoning to prevent rust and achieve non-stick properties. Needs hand washing, and should avoid acidic foods. Also, the black protective layer can wear off, and the wok may be heavy with the lid.